Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then tap on Language and Input and select your default keyboard, in my case Celia 1. Now select Theme section and click on the best one for you in order to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you are using Microsoft One, click on it, select Themes, and tap on one of them from Gallery or your section. If you wish to customize your keyboard though, you need to have Microsoft One. Then click on Themes and tap on Customized at the top right corner. Now select Start and after tapping on Add Image, select your new keyboard's background by clicking on Allow in the pop-up and clicking on the photo that you wish to apply. In my case, this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. When you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Then manage key borders and symbols thanks to those two switchers. And when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!